In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bar chart colors in Tableau using the color shelf. If you're looking to enhance the visual appeal of your data presentation, then you've come to the right place. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Tableau. Once you're on the Tableau website, you'll need to log in if you already have an account, or sign up if you're new. Tableau offers various ways to visualize data, and customizing colors is a fantastic way to make your information stand out. After logging in, navigate to your existing workbook or create a new one. The workbook is where all the magic happens, acting as your canvas to explore and present your data. Once you've got your workbook open, the first task is to locate the field you wish to use for coloring. This could be a dimension, like category, or a measure, such as profit. You'll find these in the data pane. Now, take this field and drag it over to the color shelf in the Marks card area. This step is crucial because it allows you to assign different colors to your data values, making them easier to differentiate at a glance. After adding the field to the color shelf, you'll notice that a color legend appears. This legend is key to the next step where we'll be editing the colors. Click on the color legend and select Edit Colors from the options that pop up. This will open a dialog box allowing you to personalize the palette of your chart. In the Edit Colors dialog, you have the flexibility to choose from a variety of predefined color palettes. These can set the tone of your data visualization appropriately. If you're looking for something more personalized, you also have the option to customize individual colors for different values. For those who are using a continuous measure, such as a range of sales figures, you might want to adjust the color range itself. This can involve setting a gradient, like moving from red to green, which can visually represent changes in data values, guiding viewers to understand your data story intuitively. Once you're happy with your color adjustments and the preview looks good, go ahead and click OK. This step will apply the color changes to your bar chart, completing your customization. And there you have it, a colorful and engaging bar chart in Tableau. Color can vastly enhance how your data is interpreted, so don't hesitate to experiment with different palettes and color ranges. With this newfound skill, your data presentations will not only be insightful, but also visually compelling. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has helped you unlock new ways to showcase your data